What if I told you that you could change your body completely without moving a single muscle? Sounds impossible, right? But here's the truth. Your body doesn't always need movement to grow stronger, leaner, and more powerful. There's a hidden form of strength training used by ancient warriors, elite athletes, and even modern physiotherapists. And it's called isometric training. And in this video, we're diving into the 7 isometric exercises that can literally reshape your body, boost your strength, and build serious muscle stability, all without a single rep. So before you scroll away, stick with me till the end, because I'll also give you a 7-day weekly plan, pro tips to maximize your results, and the science behind why staying still can transform your physique faster than you think. But before we start, drop your age and name in the comments. No judgment, just curiosity. Let's begin. Most people believe that to get stronger, you have to move heavy weights or perform endless reps. But what if the secret to power is not in the motion, but in the tension? When you perform isometric exercises, your muscles contract without changing length. It's like freezing your body in the most challenging part of a movement. In that stillness, your muscles are firing on all cylinders, working at maximum intensity. This type of training improves your muscle endurance, joint health, and even your mind-muscle connection, something that athletes and bodybuilders use to push past plateaus. Exercise 1, wall sit. Let's start with one of the most brutal yet simple exercises. Slide your back down a wall until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Keep your core tight, chest up, and knees directly above your ankles. Hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds. You'll feel your quads, glutes, and hamstrings screaming. And that's exactly where the magic happens. The wall sit strengthens your lower body, improves posture, and builds mental toughness. Try doing 3 sets daily, and in a week, you'll notice your legs feeling firmer, stronger, and more stable. Next up, the king of core stability, plank. It looks simple, but don't be fooled. Place your elbows under your shoulders, keep your back straight, and hold your body in one perfect line. Don't let your hips sag or rise too high. When done correctly, the plank fires your abs, glutes, shoulders, and even your legs all at once. Start with 30 seconds, then slowly push to 90. Here's a secret. If you squeeze your glutes and tighten your core during the plank, you double your strength gains. Planks are more than just a core move. They're a full-body stability workout that protects your spine and builds real-world strength. Now, let's move to one of the best lower body builders, the glute bridge hold. Lie flat on your back, bend your knees and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Squeeze your glutes hard and hold for 30 to 60 seconds. This exercise doesn't just shape your glutes, it strengthens your lower back, hamstrings, and improves hip mobility. Drive your heels into the floor and focus on contracting your glutes. That mind-muscle connection will fire up growth like never before. Next upper body time, the isometric push-up hold. Get into a push-up position, lower halfway down, and freeze. You're now holding one of the toughest static positions for your chest, triceps, and shoulders. The burn will come fast, but hold your ground. This is where strength is built. Start with 15 to 30 seconds and gradually increase. This move boosts muscle definition, improves your pressing power, and teaches perfect form control, making your normal push-ups or bench press way stronger. Now, let's talk about a move that gymnasts and calisthenic athletes swear by, the L-sit. Sit on the floor, place your hands beside your hips, and lift your body while keeping your legs straight in front of you. Hold it. Just hold it. This exercise is a total core destroyer, working your abs, triceps, hip flexors, and shoulders simultaneously. Even if you can hold it for just 10 seconds, that's powerful progress. Tip: start with bent knees and gradually work towards straight legs as you get stronger. If you want arms that look strong and sculpted, this one's for you. The isometric bicep curl hold. Hold a dumbbell or resistance band at the halfway point of a bicep curl, where your elbows are bent 90 degrees. Now just stay there. You'll feel your biceps trembling. That's tension creating muscle growth. Hold for 20 to 40 seconds, rest, and repeat for 3 sets. This move builds arm definition, boosts endurance, and gives your biceps that firm, toned look without lifting heavy. And finally, the Superman hold. Lie face down, stretch your arms in front of you, and lift both your arms and legs off the ground. Hold for 20 to 45 seconds. This simple move strengthens your lower back, glutes, and shoulders. improving posture and protecting your spine. It's perfect for anyone who sits a lot during the day. Breathe slowly, squeeze your glutes, and imagine you're flying, because your body will feel unstoppable afterward. The science behind isometric training. You might be wondering, how does staying still build muscle? Here's the science. When you hold an isometric position, your muscle fibers contract continuously without shortening. This increases time under tension, which is a key factor in muscle growth. It also improves tendon strength, joint stability, and neuromuscular coordination, meaning your muscles learn to work more efficiently. Studies have shown that isometric training can increase muscle strength by up to 20 to 30% in just a few weeks. So yes, holding still really can reshape your body from the inside out. Here's your weekly schedule to start seeing real results. Day 1, lower body focus. Wall sit, 3 sets, 45-second hold. Glute bridge hold, 3 sets, 40-second hold. Day 2, core focus. Plank, 3 sets, 60-second hold. L sit, 3 sets, 20-second hold. Day 3, upper body focus. Push-up hold, 3 sets, 30-second hold. Bicep curl. Hold, 3 sets, 30-second hold. Day 4, rest and recovery. Day 5, full body strength. Wall sit, plank, Superman hold. Day 6, core plus glutes. L sit, glute bridge, hold. Day 7, rest or light stretching. You can repeat this plan weekly, slowly increasing your hold times as your endurance improves. Here are a few tips to make these exercises even more effective. Focus on breathing. Never hold your breath. Deep breathing helps maintain oxygen flow and muscle control. Squeeze harder. The more tension you create in your muscles during each hold, the greater the strength gain. Progress gradually. Add 5 seconds each week. Small increases lead to massive progress. Mind-muscle connection. Visualize the muscle working. It makes a big difference. Consistency over duration. It's better to hold perfectly for 20 seconds than to shake poorly for 60. Remember, transformation doesn't always come from explosive motion. Sometimes it's built in the still moment. When your body is trembling, your mind wants to give up, but you choose to hold on just 1 more second. That's where growth happens. That's where strength is built. Not just physically, but mentally. Every second you hold that position, you're training your discipline, your control, and your willpower. So stay still and let that stillness change you. If this video inspired you, hit that subscribe on button right now, because we're building a community of people who want to get stronger, fitter, and more confident at any age. Drop a comment below. I'm holding strong, so I know you're part of this movement. And remember, stillness isn't weakness. It's power in its purest form. Thank you for watching. Start small, stay consistent, and let these 7 isometric exercises reshape your body and your mindset. Your transformation doesn't start when you move. It starts when you decide to hold. Stay strong, stay disciplined, and I'll see you in the next one.